going to get back to working on our place value today, so make sure that you have your paper, your pencil, and we're going to get rolling with it, okay? And I need someone to remind me, what is this called? A tens bar. And how many of these make up one of these? You're right. 10 ones pieces make up one bar. Okay, so don't forget that. This is meant to make our work look nice and clean and ready to go. So let's get started. We're going to practice one time writing through our tens and ones bar that we're working with it, and then we'll move on from there. So remember, we go slide across, meet in the middle, and go down. Okay. And over here is our ones, and we represent that with a O. And we put a little dot because we draw dots there. And then over here is our 10, so we make a T. And in our tens, we use our tens bars, which are just our lines. So that's just to help us remember it. I'm going to give you a couple seconds to write that one. Make sure it looks like that. Okay, on your paper, what I need you to do is please put a 1 here and a 3 here. What number is that? $31. Very nice. 31. You totally know it. When you have a 3 in the tens place, that tells your brain, I gotta say 30. 31. Great. This is our ones place, and this is our tens place. What I would like us to do is we'll do this one together, and then the rest you're on your own, okay? So we start in our ones place, which are represented by dots. Can you please tell me how many dots go here? How many dots go right in the ones place to represent it? 1. So I'm going to put 1 dot there. Now we look at our tens where we draw our line bars, our tens bars. How many tens bars does it tell us to use for the number 31? Wow, really nice job. We need 3 tens bars. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. So if Miss M were to show you 1, 2, 3, and 1, you would know that this right here represents the number 31. If you just saw this, you would know that that represents the number 31. Great job right there. So this is 31, 3 tens and a 1. Okay, now it's on you guys. Copy this, please. And then what I would like you to do is please draw how many dots and how many tens bars. You're getting 1-ish minutes. When my timer goes off, we'll check it. You're drawing how to represent this with your tens bars and your ones pieces. I love seeing you writing this and representing it. Okay. So let's see. Miss M looks at this and I say, in my ones place, it tells me I need 2 dots. So I'm going to draw 1, 2. And then I look at my tens place and I see how many line bars do I need? And it tells me I need 4 tens bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know whenever I see a 4 in the tens place, it tells me I got to say 40. So this number is 42. I represented this as 42. Amazing job. Okay, here's your next one. Here is this number. I'm going to give you 1 minute and I need you to write it and I need you to draw the correct amount of dots and the correct amount of tens bars. Draw your dots and your tens bars. Your time starts. Okay, let's check it. We have, in our ones place, we put our dots. How many dots did you put here? 8. Tells us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many tens bars am I supposed to put here? 1. Now, if I see 1 tens bar in 8 pieces, I know that it represents this number, which is 18. Amazing. It is 18. There's 1 tens bar and 8 ones dots. Okay, here's your last one for this group. There you go. You have 1 minute to do this number. Make sure you're drawing your lines, your tens bars, and your dots for your ones pieces. Okay, let's check it. In our ones place, how many dots do I need to put to represent how many are there? Tell me. 2. Very nice. 1, 2. Now in our tens place, how many tens bars do I need? 2. And remember, you told me already that if you see a 2 in the tens place, you have to say 20, right? If you see a 2 in the tens place, you have to say 20. So this number is 22. 2 tens bars means 20. 2 ones dots means 2. 22. Wow, amazing job. You guys are really getting the hang of this place value stuff. I'm very proud of you, okay? Keep up the work.